All right, everyone. Picked up this power conditioner the other day. Pulled it out of a dumpster, like literally, because it's like 100 pounds just for this little box. So we're gonna open it up, see what makes it so heavy. But first of all, it's got a on and off switch, so you can turn it on and off. It's got some fuses in there, so let's take those out, get rid of those. What else? 60 hertz right there. Now that said, like 28 kilohertz. You can do some time traveling, but what do I know about that? All right, before we start ripping it apart, we're gonna do some tests here. This whole side and top is aluminum. The front, back, and bottom are all steel, so that should be fun. All right, let's get this case off of here. Oh man. Yep. So here's why it's so heavy. The size of this transformer. That's pretty big. Did I get the shot? Did you see it? Pretty big. Okay, here's a better picture of the transformer. Some killer wire in there. Rinky dink board with whatever those are. All right, let's keep going. All right, first let's check and see if this is actually copper. I would say, yep. I don't know, can you see it? Well, might just take my word for it. All right, let's cut out the wires. Wow, thick stuff there. Man, I can't even cut that one. Here, nope. Thick stuff here. It's a nice piece. Too bad it's so small. All right, some wire. All right, now let's get that one wire. It was too thick. I couldn't get with the regular cutters. I can even get this in there. There we go. All right, now we're gonna pull off these guys because these are copper. These are brass, but I don't know how crazy you want to get with all this plastic and stuff on there. So, all right, let's get those off. All right, there we go. A few more down there. All right, now we're gonna pull this transformer off. So we're gonna get these bolts out of here. It's a 9/16. Can you see it? All right, so let's pull these bolts off. Alrighty, just like that. Now let's get this off of here. Oh man! All right, here's that transformer. It's super heavy, super thick copper in there. And here it is compared to one you'd pull out of a stereo receiver. Now that's big. I'm gonna try to weigh it, maybe. All right, we got our scale all set up. Dialed down to 0 with the wood blocks on there for the tare weight. All right, let's set this up. Throw this on there. Wow. You see it? Was that 91? 91 pound transformer. All right, and here's what we got after breaking it down. We got that 91 pound transformer. We got a little bit of wire. Got some number 2 copper. These are copper 2. Just pinch off this yellow and then throw it in your tin copper number 2, whatever you want to call it. Got a aluminum shield casing, and the rest is nothing amazing. We'll just go with shred since I don't want to waste my time removing any more stuff. There's our nuts and bolts. All right, I thought it would have been a little bit more exciting, but well, that's what's inside a power conditioner.